Hello students of grade 5. Today we are going to talk about asking with which and or. Now look at these pictures. What can you see? This is basketball. Excellent. And what about this picture? It's volleyball. Let us ask this girl, which is more interesting, basketball or volleyball? She answers, basketball. We can say, basketball is more interesting than volleyball. We can say, basketball is more interesting than volleyball. Now, when we compare between two things, we can say basketball is noun 1, more interesting than is more plus adjective, and volleyball is noun 2. We compare between basketball and volleyball, and we call more interesting a comparative adjective, صيغة مقارنة للصفات. Now we are going to learn how to ask questions using which and or. Look at the pictures. What is this? Great, it's a TV. How much is this TV? It is $30. And what is this? It's a radio. How much is the radio? It's $1.99. We are going to use the adjective expensive. سنقوم بسؤال الطلاب، من هو الأغلى؟ TV or radio? Look at this form. Which is more expensive, TV or radio? We start our sentence with which, أداة السؤال. Then we use is, and more expensive is the comparative adjective, صيغة المقارنة. Don't forget using comma. And then we add noun 1, TV, or to give choices, لإعطاء الخيارات. And then we add noun 2. Don't forget using a question mark and capital letter. We use capital letter at the beginning of the question and a question mark at the end of the question. Now, let us take another example. Look at these pictures. What can you see in this picture? It's rainy weather. Excellent. But what about picture number 2? It's snowy weather. We are going to use the adjective beautiful. Let us remember what we have said and use the same form. What do we start our question with? Excellent. We start it with which, then is. Thank you. Then we add comparative adjective. Noun number 1 or noun number 2 and the question mark. Which is, we have the adjective beautiful and the comparative adjective is more beautiful. Don't forget the comma. Now we are going to put noun 1 and noun 2 and use or to give choices. Noun 1 is rainy weather or snowy weather. Don't forget the question mark. Thank you. Now we use capital letter at the start of the question and question mark at the end of the question. Now the second use of or is giving choices. Which t-shirt would you like? The yellow or the white? We start our question with which, then we add the choices after the comma, the yellow or the white. Thank you. Now we can use which and or in questions. Look at this picture. This is a mother and this is her daughter. And we have these two glasses on the table. The mother is asking her daughter this question. Amal, can you give me the glass, please? Amal has two glasses on the table. What do you think Amal is going to do? She is going to ask her mother, which glass do you want? The milk or the juice? Thank you. Which at the beginning and milk and juice are choices after the comma. Now we are going to play a game. Look at the pictures and make questions using which and or. Look at these pictures. Hiking and swimming. What is the adjective? Exciting. We are going to make questions. What do we start our question with? Excellent. We start it with which. And then which is. And the comparative adjective is more exciting. And then we add the choices, hiking or swimming. Hiking or swimming, and the question mark. Now look at these words and try to order them to make a question using which and or. The words are or, is, more beautiful, question mark, the blue jacket, the black jacket, and which. Remember, what do we use to start our question? Great, we use which. What do we add after which? Which is. Thank you. Which is. Where is the comparative adjective? Great, it's more beautiful. Which is more beautiful? Now, who can tell me where are the choices? We have two choices. Excellent, the blue jacket. And we use or to give these choices. And the black jacket. And at the end of our question, we use a question mark. Which is more beautiful, the blue jacket or the black jacket? Thank you. Excellent. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Bye-bye.